Salt, a mineral that has been part of human civilization for thousands of years. A simple, humble ingredient found in every kitchen, yet it holds a profound significance beyond its culinary uses. But did you know that salt is much more than just a seasoning? It comes in many forms and varieties, each with its unique properties and benefits. For centuries, salt has been revered for its spiritual and energetic properties. Ancient civilizations mined salt and traded it as a valuable commodity, often referred to as white gold. In many cultures, salt is believed to absorb negative energy, promote healing, and restore balance. It has been used in rituals and ceremonies to cleanse spaces and protect against evil spirits. Salt is a natural purifier. Its crystalline structure and mineral composition make it an excellent agent for cleansing and purification. Just as it preserves food and keeps it fresh, salt can also cleanse our energy field. It has the ability to draw out impurities and negative energies, leaving behind a sense of clarity and renewal. It's like a spiritual vacuum cleaner, removing negativity and creating a sense of peace and harmony. Himalayan salt lamps, for instance, are known to emit negative ions that purify the air and enhance mood. This essay will guide you on how to use salt for energy clearing and experience its transformative effects in your own life. From simple practices like sprinkling salt around your home to more elaborate rituals, you'll discover the many ways salt can enhance your well-being. One common method is to create a salt circle for protection. By sprinkling salt around the perimeter of a space, you can create a barrier that wards off negative energies. Another popular practice is taking a salt bath. Adding salt to your bath water can help detoxify your body, soothe sore muscles, and promote relaxation. Salt scrubs are also beneficial for exfoliating the skin and improving circulation. They leave your skin feeling soft, smooth, and rejuvenated. Meditating with salt can enhance your practice by grounding your energy and helping you connect with your inner self. Simply place a bowl of salt nearby and focus on your breath. In feng shui, salt is used to balance the energy in a space. Placing salt in the corners of a room can help absorb stagnant energy and promote a harmonious environment. Creating salt mandalas is another way to harness the power of salt. These intricate designs can be used as a form of meditation and a way to set intentions. With so many types of salt available, from pink Himalayan to black lava salt, each offers its own unique benefits. Explore and experiment to find the ones that resonate with you. By incorporating salt into your daily routine, you can experience its transformative effects and enhance your overall well-being. Embrace the timeless power of salt and let it purify your life. The use of salt for spiritual and healing purposes dates back thousands of years. This humble mineral, often taken for granted in modern times, was once considered a precious commodity, revered for its mystical properties and essential role in daily life. Ancient texts and artifacts reveal that salt was more than just a seasoning or preservative. It was a symbol of purity, protection, and power. Ancient civilizations across the globe, from the Egyptians to the Romans to the Native Americans, recognized the power of salt. The Egyptians, for instance, used salt in their mummification processes, believing it to be a key element in preserving the body for the afterlife. The Romans, on the other hand, valued salt so highly that soldiers were often paid in salt, giving rise to the word salary. Native American tribes incorporated salt into their spiritual practices, using it in rituals to cleanse and protect their communities. Salt was used in rituals, ceremonies, and everyday life to ward off evil, purify spaces, and protect against negative energies. In many cultures, it was common to sprinkle salt around the perimeter of a home or sacred space to create a protective barrier. During ceremonies, salt was often used to cleanse participants and objects, ensuring that only positive energies were present. This practice of using salt for purification and protection has been passed down through generations, evolving but never losing its significance. It was believed to have the ability to absorb negativity, and restore balance to both the physical and spiritual realms. The crystalline structure of salt was thought to attract and trap negative energies, preventing them from causing harm. This belief in the balancing properties of salt extended to its use in healing practices, where it was used to draw out impurities and restore harmony to the body and mind. Even today, many people use salt lamps and salt baths to cleanse their energy and promote well-being. In many cultures, salt is still used today for its protective qualities. Modern spiritual practices often incorporate salt in various forms, from simple bowls of salt placed in the home to elaborate rituals involving salt circles and salt water. These practices are rooted in ancient traditions but have been adapted to fit contemporary lifestyles. The enduring presence of salt in spiritual practices is a testament to its timeless significance and the deep connection humans have with this mineral. Athletes often sprinkle salt on the field before a game, while homeowners might place bowls of salt near doorways to keep negative energy at bay. This modern use of salt for protection and good fortune is a continuation of ancient beliefs, demonstrating how the wisdom of our ancestors still influences our lives today. Whether used in sports, homes, or personal rituals, salt remains a powerful tool for maintaining balance and warding off negativity. Its enduring legacy is a reminder of the profound impact that simple, natural elements can have on our spiritual and physical well-being. You can easily incorporate the power of salt into your daily life for energy clearing. Salt has been used for centuries in various cultures for its purifying properties. It is believed to absorb negative energy and create a protective barrier around you. By using salt in a simple ritual, you can enhance your well-being and create a more harmonious living space. This simple ritual helps to cleanse your aura, promote relaxation, and improve sleep quality. When your energy is clear and balanced, you are more likely to experience restful sleep and wake up feeling refreshed. This ritual can be especially beneficial if you have been feeling stressed, anxious, or overwhelmed. What you will need: 1 cup of natural salt such as Himalayan pink salt or sea salt. These types of salt are known for their high mineral content and natural purity. Himalayan pink salt, for example, contains over 80 trace minerals that can help to nourish your body and spirit. A clear glass bowl, water. The clear glass allows you to see the salt dissolving, which can be a meditative and calming process in itself. The water acts as a medium to carry the salt's purifying properties throughout your space. Instructions: fill the glass bowl with water. Use clean, fresh water as it symbolizes purity and renewal. The act of filling the bowl can be done mindfully, with the intention of bringing clarity and peace into your life. Add the salt to the water and stir until it dissolves. As you stir, visualize the salt absorbing any negative energy and transforming it into positive, healing energy. This step is crucial as it sets the intention for the ritual and activates the salt's cleansing properties. Place the bowl of salt water in your bedroom, preferably near your bed. Leave the bowl overnight. As you sleep, the salt water will work to cleanse your aura and the energy in your room. This can help to create a more peaceful and restful environment, allowing you to wake up feeling rejuvenated. In the morning, discard the salt water by pouring it down the drain. As you do this, imagine all the negative energy being washed away, leaving you with a fresh start for the day. This simple yet powerful ritual can be done regularly to maintain a positive and balanced energy in your home. As you prepare the salt water, take a moment to focus your intention. Hold the bowl in your hands and visualize the salt absorbing any negative energy from your surroundings and your own energy field. You can also say a simple mantra or affirmation, such as, "I cleanse this space of all negativity. Only peace and love reside here." It's important to use a glass bowl for this ritual, rather than plastic or metal. Glass is a neutral material that doesn't interfere with the energy-clearing properties of the salt. Glass also allows for better visualization. You can see the salt dissolving in the water, which can help to strengthen your intention and enhance the effectiveness of the ritual. Real people, real results. Countless people have experienced the amazing benefits of using salt for energy clearing. They report feeling lighter, calmer, and more at peace after incorporating this simple practice into their lives. Many people find that it helps them to sleep better, as the salt absorbs any negative energy that might be interfering with their sleep. Others notice that their homes feel more peaceful and harmonious. Embracing the positive transformation. As you continue to use salt for energy clearing, you may start to notice subtle but profound shifts in your life. You might find yourself feeling more grounded, centered, and connected to your intuition. You may also experience a greater sense of peace, joy, and well-being. This is because when you clear away negative energy, you create space for more positive energy to flow into your life. Sweet dreams and peaceful slumbers. One of the most immediate and noticeable benefits of using salt for energy clearing is improved sleep. Many people report experiencing deeper, more restful sleep after placing a bowl of salt water in their bedroom. Salt helps to neutralize electromagnetic frequencies from electronic devices, which can interfere with sleep. It also absorbs negative energy that might be lingering in your bedroom, creating a more peaceful and relaxing environment for sleep. Conclusion: inviting serenity into your life. Incorporating the simple practice of using salt for energy clearing can bring about profound transformations in your life. It's a powerful yet gentle way to cleanse your energy, promote peace, and invite more positivity into your life. So why not give it a try? You might be surprised by the amazing benefits that await you.